Well, I went to the store just to get some milk, wearing gym shorts made of polyester silk, bending down low to grab that jug, when I felt a breeze and a little tug. Old lady gasped and another lady screamed. Yeah, my shorts just split at the seam. Now my balls hanging out, oh man, it ain't right. They got their own Facebook page overnight. Someone tag me, there ain't no doubt I gone viral, 'cause my balls hanging out. Down, 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 balls hanging out. Try to play it cool, walked out real fast. Neighbor yelled, sugar, can I get a bit of that? Tripped on the curb, spilled milk everywhere. Now I'm famous in town for not wearing underwear. Some call it commando or setting Willie free, but I gotta get home before my girlfriend sees that my balls hanging out. Oh man, it ain't right. They got their own Facebook page overnight. Someone tag me, there ain't no doubt I gone viral, 'cause my balls hanging out. Balls hanging out. Now I learned my lesson about them shorts so thin, wearing jeans so tight they squeak when I bend. But every now and then, when I'm feeling free, that Montana wind gets the best of me. If you see me smiling and strutting about, you can get a selfie with my balls hanging out. Yeah, my balls hanging out. Balls hanging out. She saw my balls hanging out, oh man, what a sight. They got their own Facebook page overnight. The old lady tagged me, there ain't no doubt she was in a trance, 'cause my balls hanging out. Balls hanging. Yeah, my balls hanging out. I made it home in time. They got their own Facebook page overnight. If my girlfriend knew, she'd leave, no doubt. I got home before she could see my balls hanging out. So just remember, guys with jewels that are swinging about, there's an old lady at the store waiting to catch your balls hanging out.